Welcome to our channel. Today we are sharing some simple and easy backyard and landscape border ideas to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful retreat. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, these ideas are perfect for enhancing the look of your garden without a lot of hassle. Let's dive in. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video, share to your friends, family members. Stone etching is classic choice that adds a natural look to your garden borders. You can choose large flat stones or smaller pebbles. Depending on the style you prefer, stones are durable and low maintenance, making them a great option for a neat and tidy garden borders. Wooden borders give a rustic and warm feel to your garden. Use reclaimed wood logs or even bamboo to create a natural look. Borders. Wood borders are easy to install or can be customized to fit any garden shape. Make sure that retreat to your wood prevent rot and increase its lifespan. And sleek look, consider metal edging. It's a durable option that can withstand the elements and provides a clean line to separate different areas of your garden. Metal edging is available in various colors and finishes, so you can choose one of that matches your garden style. Installation is a result is performance and looking borders. Bridge and paver borders are another timeless option that can add structured look of your garden. Get creative with garden borders by using upcycled materials. Old bottles, broken tiles, or even seashells can be repurposed to create unique and eye-catching borders. This is a great way to add appeal and touch to your garden while being environmentally friendly. Arrange the materials in pattern or mix and match visual look. Thanks for watching. We hope these ideas inspire you to create beautiful and easy garden borders in your backyard. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more garden tips and ideas. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching.